Hi traders, uh, good evening and good morning to those in USA. Good afternoon in Euro session. Sorry, no Euro area. Today is 21st of December 2018. So we are now live for crude oil futures market, February 2019 contract. So at this moment, we are in the US session. 3 minutes after US session begins. So you can see that there's a strong pullback, very strong one. This is the first five within the this is the first 5 minute candle. Appear very strong bullish movement, but still I'm expecting for tonight bearish movement in terms of the overall market condition. So it's quite interesting if you take a look on the volume here. This is the first thing I take a look when I open my PC during my platform during US session. So first of all, there's a large volume here waiting at 45.22. This is the first one. Second one, 45.00. This is a round number. Should be a typical high volume waiting there. So this is not what I'm searching for, but the rest I found there is a lot more higher Q on the downside in comparison to the upper side. So let's wait and see. Maybe there will be a good signal for me to enter the market. So I'm still waiting for my trading setup to provide me my day trade trading signal. So based on this, I will enter the market whether to buy or to sell. So let's wait and see on the higher time frame whether there will be a good signal on the market. So okay, I will pause this video. We'll resume later on. Hey traders, so we resume back again. So at this moment, as you can see, I have queued my position with stop limit order. So I have targeted this purple line as my stop limit order. So this is the nearest row, the first one. This is the second one. Is quite strong. So I'm still hoping for a bearish movement with a stop limit order somewhere on the upper side. And it is now around 30 minutes after US session begin, and I'm expecting for, as usual, my trading setup just provide me a good trading signal. So this for today it is bearish. Okay, let me enlarge a bit the chart so you can see. Okay, maybe my laptop right now hang. Okay, never mind, but still my stop limit order is here. This is the nearest low, and this is the second nearest low. So I'm expecting to break through nearest low to this entry level. So let's wait and see. Above this level, we might consider for the bullish movement. Okay, 45.60 is my sell limit order, which is here. So hopefully everything's go fine. Okay, now we are back on live. Okay, market go up first, so let's wait and wait. This is on a larger time frame, should be a good one. Okay, okay, not yet, but almost there. So I pause this video. This is gonna take a few minutes. Okay guys, here's back again. So at this moment we just triggered the short sell limit order at 45.60. So I'm targeting around 20 ticks or 100 plus ticks. Then should be now the price going on the fastest move. Oh, not much, only 2 ticks or 3 ticks. So let it grow. The target is not much, around 20 ticks, something like that. Okay, maybe we are reaching 6 ticks. So let's wait. 6 ticks. The stop limit order is quite clear on this upper side. So I will put the stop limit order first. Maybe at 45.78 or 45.87 should be a good one. just in case the price reverse back sharply. So at this moment looks good. So I will pause this video and we resume later on. Hopefully to reach 20 ticks. Again, unresponsive. It's too heavy. Okay, I need to log in with my mobile. Okay guys, resume back again. So far looks good. I might exit the market, so although my target is 20 ticks, so it should be fine. Okay, that spike. This moment we are 16 ticks below my entry level. Looks good. Okay, 2010. So I will buy the market immediately. So okay, I'm out. Okay, 45.38. So my entry is 60. So it should be around 220. Okay, let's take a look. How much profit we are taking? Okay, 22 ticks for today. I think should be enough because my target daily is around 20 ticks or 30 ticks. If the situation looks okay, then hopefully more than 30 ticks. But at this moment, I stop my position at 22 ticks. So it's a good day trade setup from higher time frame during US session. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more videos in future. Okay, see you next week for the next trading day. Thank you. Bye. Okay, I think should be enough for tonight. 22 ticks. So I will close all. I will close my platform. So on the next week. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Good luck.